One of the things that Galderma is we are at the forefront of dermatology. In fact, we are the leader when it comes to pure play dermatology. We are present in therapeutic dermatology. We are also present in dermatological skincare and injectable aesthetics. We are present in these three pillars of dermatology. Our purpose is really advancing dermatology for every skin tone. Now, when you say advancing, this is where we have latest trends, advancing technology, innovation. So we have the latest trend in aesthetics, which is what Michelle and team will be can elaborate. But we know what's happening in the market today. One of the trends that we see is canceling age. We have beauty.
Beauty, there are actually six trends.
Six.
Yung sinasabi po ni Sir Louis, canceling age. And this is a global trend when it comes to aesthetics. We have pro-aging also. And then we also have beauty fandom, wanting to look like your favorite K-pop artist, diba? So meron din tayo mga fast aesthetics for people who are always on the go. And then meron tayo mindful aesthetics, and then expressionality, because you want to be your own individual self. And kung you feel good in your own skin, so you're free to express
So,
yourself.
so this is the individual skin story that each of us has in our journey in dermatology.
Sir, just to follow through, oh, sorry, my name is Aileen Chuma from Presscon. Just to follow through with what you mentioned, how does Galderma ensure the safety and efficacy of the products that you mentioned? Maybe you can address it to everyone.
Thank you, Athene. I think one of the advantage that Galderma has is that all our products are clinically proven and well researched. In fact, we've been in the industry, we've been in the aesthetic industry for over 20 years, right? And our products have proven track record on efficacy, and also our safety profile has the highest safety profile against our competitors, because when we have been in the market for quite some time, and we know how to treat and reverse any adverse reaction. And if ever there are, it's very minimal. I think I have yet to hear a severe case from the aesthetics. Michelle, maybe you can add on to that.
If I may add, just to elaborate on the safety and then efficacy, is backed up by science. We have established clinical studies that will support our claims, our scientific claims in terms of the efficacy, and then also in terms of safety, we maintain that high quality standard. So we've been in the industry, for example, each product more than 20 years, that will really solidify the presence in the aesthetics industry.
And aside from that, one of the things that we embark is that we train doctors. We don't just allow doctors to use our product left and right without the knowledge of injecting our product. So there's transfer of technology which addresses our safety profile. That's why you see our products with a high level of safety, because of the way we train doctors. In fact, we don't just train them, we give workshops and actual injections for them to be confident in using the product.
And after the workshop, we ensure also that all the injectors we've trained, there are 24 hours monitoring for their patient and their learnings as well. Because as you know, we need to ensure that our patients who were injected with dermal filler or Galderma products are really on the safety.
I hope we were able to answer your question.
I'm a certified setup producer.
Oh.
Yeah,
The longest time.
Maybe ma'am, if you
Later
if
we'll-
you are bold enough to try our Restylane filler and Sculptra.
Yeah. Later on, ask the booth if they have some gift items for.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
I can go next. Why did you create this awards?
That's
So this is our second year. So the second year of the Galderma Aesthetics Diamond Awards. For us, this is more than an awarding ceremony. This is to recognize the partnership we have with our customers, with our partner clinics. And for them, it will also solidify their visibility and their presence. They are stellars in the aesthetics industry. So for us, doing these Diamond Awards, it's both a win-win because one, we appreciate and recognize the partnership, and then second, for them, that will also create awareness on their own brands, no? With their attracting their own patients, and then again solidifying their presence in the aesthetics industry.
I think what works well with this award is that they carry our customers carry the brand name of Galderma in their clinics. This brings recognition of trust, scientifically proven, and with a high level of safety profile. So when they see that in the clinic, it just reaffirms that the clinic has also the same standards with Galderma.
It is like the award itself is like a seal of commitment between the partnership Galderma and then the partner.
So this question first one is with the products, what makes the derma products so good?
Okay. To be very specific, no, in aesthetics, well, it's very unique because the way we treat, the way the brand is being marketed, or the way we treat our patients is there's no one size fit all. So it's very individualized, very personalized. If you see our Restylane fillers, it has 8 in the range, no? 8 different products in the range. So bakit ang dami? So because there's a different profile for each that will fit. What will fit you may not fit me. So when we do, like kanina Sir Louis mentioned, when we do our trainings, when we teach our injectors, we tell them to assess first the individual. Kasi sometimes what you think you want, no? You think you want to change this part of your face, hindi naman pala yun would be the best for you. So we go through that assessment, very personalized, very individualized. I guess that makes the product very unique, aside from what we mentioned earlier, the heritage, the way, the science behind it, no? When you compare it to other brands in the market.
Yeah, I think aside from personalized treatment, our distinct advantage is you can check this out. We are backed by clinical studies.
Yeah.
I don't know with our competitors if they have the clinical studies to prove their
Yeah.
claims, because sa kanila it's more of experience over the years. Us, we're backed by clinical studies, and that's why we're a little bit more premium, because just having a clinical study, you need to spend and invest. So for every 1 peso spent, 10% goes back to research. And this is why we are really in the forefront of dermatology.
That's why our message for Restylane, if I can communicate that, Restylane designed differently because we want that will differentiate us from the other available dermal filler in the market.